You want me to say? You was about to say something. I saw you. All right, come on, come on.
Okay. Okay.
Have to.
What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a review on my 2017 5.0 Coyote Mustang.
No cap. Let's get to it.
Oh, I'm gonna review the exhaust.
What we got done to the 5.0, it has quad tips. It has a muffler delete. I don't know if you guys, yeah. Wait. Muffler delete. And there's an X pipe over there. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much stock. There's nothing.
Other than that, it's stock. So now he's just gonna drive to see how it sounds.
So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.